So, after 5 minutes, the lye or sodium hydroxide or whatever's in the oven cleaner should have dissolved the finger grease, and that's really all it is. It's just grease. So you take your very, very dry yet still damp paintbrush and you start scrubbing. It's the mechanical action you want here. It's the mechanical plus the chemical. Okay? So it's just a very damp, very lightly damp paintbrush. So we did that, right? Now we take our bottle, our bowl of water. We rinse the paintbrush. We shake the fuck out of it again and repeat the process. Now what this does, and why you want the paintbrush, is because the capillary action of the bristles is going to pick up all the grody, greased, dissolved crap in there. So you repeat this process multiple times. Okay, horizontally, vertically, circularly, you just scrub and scrub and scrub and scrub. God, the thing is so gross. This keyboard's probably 10 years old. We rinse it out. Shake it again. Capillary action is picking up the dissolved dirt. Okay, so far so good. Now, we didn't have these in the old days, but you can use them now. Take a microfiber towel and attempt to dry the damn thing out. That's so gross. Alright, now hold on a sec, I don't want to pause this. See how gross that water is? We're going to take some clean water, rinse our brush out again. And by the way, if you don't have a good paintbrush, get one. I mean a good paintbrush. A good paintbrush is a good tool, and it will last you forever. Assuming, of course, you keep it clean. Which means getting a comb, a brush comb, and not letting it sit in a bucket of paint overnight. Okay, how's that water? Oh, it's still a little dirty, but it's okay. So one last time, right? Mind you, this is not wet. It's just damp. just barely damp. And voila. Look at that. Huh? What do you think? Pretty fucking clean, huh? Now, I'd let it sit and dry for a day or two, but you really don't need to if you've kept everything damp. So, that is Jim's technique for cleaning a really gross, old, dirty keyboard.